In this tutorial, we'll learn how to utilize Omnisend for effective email marketing. First, let's understand the significance of email marketing in promoting your business, campaign, or cause. Omnisend serves as our platform of choice for this purpose. Can you use Omnisend for free? Yes, you can start with a free trial, but let's examine the pricing options to make an informed decision. Head over to Omnisend's official website and navigate to the pricing section. Here you'll find various plans, including a free version with certain limitations. Signing up for Omnisend is straightforward. Choose your preferred method: email, Shopify, or Google, and fill in the required details, ensuring compliance with terms and policies. Once signed up, you'll land on your dashboard, offering a comprehensive overview of your email marketing operations. Connect with Shopify for seamless integration. Explore the dashboard tabs to access vital features like reports, audience segmentation, form creation, and automation setup. Creating a campaign is the next step. Customize your email details, including subject line, sender's name, and pre-header. Select a template and personalize it according to your brand. Editing the template is intuitive, with options to adjust colors, text, and layout. Utilize the library for additional elements like buttons and text. After crafting your campaign, send a test email to ensure everything looks good. Save your progress and choose recipients or segments for targeted outreach. Manage your contact list efficiently by adding, importing, or organizing contacts into segments. Ensure accuracy by providing relevant details like email addresses and tags. With everything set, launch your email marketing campaign and track its performance through reports and analytics. If you found this tutorial helpful, show your support by liking and subscribing. Stay tuned for more informative content in our upcoming videos.